Hi everyone, and welcome back to my home office. I've been very busy lately, but during my spare time, I was looking at some setups on social media, and I got so jealous of those that have great cable management. Since it's right about time that we do our mid-year cleaning, I figured that I'll try to improve our messy cable situation. First, let's open the PC and I'll show you how dirty it is. All that dust in just 6 months. Yuck.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Now, we get our blower to get some of the dust off, and we'll give some of the parts and panels a wipe to try and clean everything. It is important to ensure that our filters are clean as well. Now that we have the PC dust-free, let's deal with the mess of stuff and cables on our desk. Here's a sneak peek of what we have to deal with later. Let's just set all of these stuff aside and give everything a nice good wipe. Of course, let's not forget to wipe our table and our mousepad. As you may have seen from our desk setup tour a few months back, my laptop and tablet dock are on the left side of the table. I want to move everything to the right side and I'll tell you why in a bit. I really wanted to make sure that my cables won't dangle on the floor, so I used these small cable clips I got from Shopee. To minimize the cable clutter on the desk, I made use of the monitor stand to hang the display and USB-C cables. Since I decided to remove my monitorizer, this makes the bottom of my screen clean and cable-free. Now, I wanted to put my laptop on the right side so I could cover some of the cables going into the PC. This is definitely cheating, but I'll take this as a temporary solution. The only cables on my desk now are the headphone jack I placed on the edge of the table for quick access, my numpad, my mouse, and my keyboard, review coming soon, and my phone charger on the left side. This whole thing is definitely far from perfect, but for now, it'll have to do. Let me know in the comments if you have any hacks for cable management. Like and share this video, and as always, I'll see you back in my home office.